Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn on enhanced pointer precision on Windows 11 laptops. So how to do that? It is very simple. I'm using Dell Precision 7740 and the current OS is Windows 11. So click on Start menu, then search about mouse. Then you will get this mouse settings here. Click on that. Okay. Then you can see the third option is Enhance Pointer Precisions. So you can simply click the right side button to turn on this feature. So you can see here it is currently turned on, and it is one of the best assist feature that you can control your mouse pointer more precisions. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.